You built the T shape they told you to build. The market changed the shape without telling you. The T shape is dead. Meet the person the market actually wants. For 10 years, career coaches sold you the T-shaped professional, broad awareness and one deep skill. That model made sense in 2015. The market has moved and the T-shape is now a liability, not an asset. Subscribe to Technology Upside because the career shapes that recruiters are actually selecting for right now look nothing like what any career workshop has shown you. The language in job descriptions changed before anyone announced a shift. Recruiters stopped searching for depth alone. They started searching for people who could hold multiple domains simultaneously without losing coherence. That is a fundamentally different cognitive requirement. The new high-value profile is not deep in one place. It is connected across many. A product thinker who understands data, a communicator who can read a technical spec, a builder who understands business context. The value is not in the nodes, it is in the connections between them. That is what AI cannot replace. Knowing the shape the market wants is step one. Building it is where most people stall, because adding new domains feels like starting over. And that psychological resistance is the hidden reason most specialists never make the pivot. That is what the next video is about.